So my next guests today are from PVA. I'm joined by Christoph Kim to my left here, and then Christian Lubascher. So welcome, gentlemen. Nice to see you.
Welcome.
Okay.
Thank you very much for having us.
Yes.
It's a pleasure.
PVA has been around for a long time. It's very well known in the industry as one of the leading conformal coating companies. But you do a lot more than that. So let's talk about some of the other things that PVA does. Let's start maybe with some of the things that you were telling us before we started.
Exactly.
Christian.
So it seems like they're a very well kept secret that PVA does much more than conformal coating.
Mm-hmm.
We do all type of metal mix, fluid dispensing that requires accuracy and specific applications like underfilling, potting, encapsulating. We also do optical bonding, which is Christoph will explain more about that.
Mm-hmm.
And also we do automation. Many people don't know that. They think that we only sell equipment, but we do a lot of automation around the product from our customers.
Really? Okay. So who would be your typical customer? There'd be people that are doing medical applications, or there's meter mixing done there, or what sort of applications are you talking about?
Everyone that needs precise dosing and application in complex parts.
Okay. Okay. Excellent. Now you mentioned a little bit about optical bonding, so maybe Christoph, you could tell us a little bit about what that involves.
Absolutely. As Christian mentioned, and as you mentioned, we do a lot more than just conformal coating, and there's a lot of automation around the dispensing applications. One of these examples is, for example, display bonding, where we bond cover lens through liquid optically clear adhesive to a display, or sometimes also through a touch screen interface. There's also various automation around that process. It involves various applications in terms of precise dispensing of a dampers, then it involves precise metering of a two-component adhesive, finally precise picking and placing of a display and aligning that with the cover lens. That's one of the examples that shows a lot of automation that we can do around the dispensing part. There's also other aspect or other market segments than just display bonding, where you can see a lot of these interesting applications.
Right.
We could do also screw driving after lid placement with after dispensing a gasket potentially.
Right.
There's
I mean, you obviously are covering a lot of different markets here, you know.
Absolutely.
But I mean, which is your main markets? Where do you do most of your stuff? Is it around the automotive? Is it industrial? What is?
I wouldn't say there is one specific market segment that we target mostly.
Right.
We clearly see a big improvement in the defense industry these days for roughly rather sad reasons, obviously, but that's where we see a big growth, obviously.
Of course.
But we're not just close to that one segment. There's multiple segments like alternative energy sources, some aerospace industries.
Okay.
For touching base a little bit on the defense sector, PVA got qualified last year through the American standards of ITAR.
Okay.
So that's a big step
big
forward.
one. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. Great. So do you want to talk a little bit more on the fluid dispensing side and the meter mixing side? Is there any more you can add to that?
Yes. So as Christoph was saying, we act in several industries. We participate, like medical devices, for example. Also, you have very tiny parts that need to be bonded, or need to be, and this is something that we also can do. And everything that has these requirements of accuracy and automation, we can do that. Touching on the ITAR thing is quite important, because I don't think that any other company has it. And yes, we can make sure that we conform with the best standards of the industry too.
Right. Yeah, I'm not sure about any of the other conformal coating companies doing ITAR, but I mean for sure. But certainly that's important to have that qualification. So it's good to know. So you've just informed me. I mean, I've known PVA for many years, or I've known of you for many years, but you've enlightened me today about all the other things that you do. So
Great.
That's good to know. So I want to thank you both for coming in and sharing that with us this morning.
Thank you very much for having us again.
Thank you.
Have a good
Kaizen is the leading global supplier of award-winning cleaning chemistries for electronics assembly operations. Whether you are cleaning stencils or final assemblies, our global team of cleaning experts is there to help you succeed. Want to know more? Stop by our booth or visit kaizen.com.